Hi, it's me James. I'm gonna show you tricks with fire. Okay, follow me on WhatsApp and everything, and you shall be satisfied. Please, yeah. Watch this video with happiness, smile, give me some likes, and you shall get. God bless you. Okay, as you know, I'm a Christian dude from Kenya. I wish you know this country, Kenya, and support me. Amen. And let's start. Okay, let's do this fast. See, as I was showing other people, you'll amaze your friend when you're doing this. This will make your matchstick tool light for long. Just cut it in little bits like this, as shown like this, and light it up. It will stay for long. See, catch on fire. And also, we are doing that because you can cut yourself. Do this. Take a masking tape. Take a masking tape. Take it off. Put it here. Then light it up. See? Then as it melts, you can use it as sorry about that. You can use it as glue. See, it stays for long. You can use it as glue. Take it, take it, take it, and put it on something you want to stick on. If the generous is hurting, and finished. The third one, the last one I wanna do. Eh? Sir. That was my mom. No need to worry about that. Let me come with another matchbox. Wait for a little bit. I'm back. Now let's try the last one so that it can flow. And then hello, it's me James. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a alarm on your door. So like me, you can see I have made my own alarm. So when somebody gets in, it see, to return it's very easy. Just put inside it like that and shut up. Okay, just check the thing. It shall be inside just a voice box and a connector and wires and a battery, and you're good to go. And a pen if you need one, and a rope and a sellotape. I used it, but you can use a cardboard. Okay, subscribe to this video.